Good morning and welcome you all. Today, today in continuation, this particular demo that we have planned, we are going to cover up what the basic of this particular course that we have planned to offer, how this course is going to benefit, and what are the offerings that we are going to offer that you will be getting as part of this particular training program. So going ahead, guys, just to let you know, this particular training program has been designed, which is 100% practical hands-on training. This is going to target that, okay, after attending this particular training program, whatever the technologies, whatever the techniques, and whatever the real-time work which has been assigned in a real-time projects, and being as a fusion technical consultant, everyone who's attending this particular course of training, if you follow the course material, if you have attended all the classes, if you have followed all the assignments that we have been assigning, everyone can easily being able to claim themselves as a 2 to 3 years of fusion technical consultant. Okay, let's talking about this particular course. This particular course is a Oracle Fusion Technical and Oracle Integration Cloud Training. This is a perfect blend of the latest technologies and the real-time sort of scenarios, and the majorly in ERP domain, specifically in Oracle as a subject area. Whatever the recent high volumes of job which has been offered, we have structured this particular course in that way that all those particular areas we are going to cover into this particular training program. Guys, this particular training, this is the first demo session that we are going to have. This we are going to plan this particular training daily on in night 8:30 to 9:30. We try to have a strict timelines for 1 hour, but as and when necessary for the topics, we may extend little bit. Okay, this is a 2 months sort of duration, and this is going to be happening on a Monday to Saturday basis. That is the training program that we have planned for. Anybody who's willing to attend this particular program, who's from the IT background or non-IT background, you are a fresher or an experienced professional having an experience with ERP or Java or any domain, this does not have any sort of prerequisites, and this particular course has been designed for anybody who want to switch a domain, get a new job, looking for a promotion, getting some sort of internship opportunity, or you are a fresher as a candidate and looking to start your career into a field of IT. Okay, guys, this is a low code, no code of sort of platform where although we are telling that, okay, this is a fusion technical training, but very minimum sort of coding is required, because nowadays the technology has been evolved in such a way that actually we are not writing the code, but we are doing some sort of configuration, some sort of settings, some sort of properties we will set across, and accordingly in backend some sort of code has been written by the Oracle on behalf of the settings that we are going to set up. Okay, so let's begin, guys. We are going to go very slow. This particular demo will give you an understanding what we are going to offer, so that you can make up your mind and understand what are the capabilities of the tool and what you are going to learn as part of this particular training program. Okay, so today in this particular training program, guys, what is the agenda? We make you to learn, understand, and grow so that you can earn well and have a good sort of lifestyle. And in that addition to that, guys, the training that we are going to learn is that software is Oracle is a company. Oracle has various sort of software. One of the software is Fusion. We are going to learn a Oracle Fusion application, how it has been evolved into the industry, what are the competitors, what are the different sort of applications, what are the ERP applications, why we should need to choose to learn any ERP application or Oracle as a tool, what sort of work opportunities are there, which companies that after attending this particular training program, what are the companies that you can target to get employed with. Okay, all these sort of doubts and all these clarities we will be providing as part of today's agenda. Okay, so guys, in actual, as I said that, okay, there is no prerequisites for this particular course. The only thing that we require that, okay, you should be joining with the internet. Good internet facility should be there, and I request personally that everyone should be joining through the laptop instead of joining from iPads or your other sort of devices, because in case I would like to take you some sort of notes, screenshots, or some sort of queries that I will ask you to execute, you will be able to execute those things. Okay. Other than that, guys, there is no prerequisites whether you are an experienced professional, non-experienced professional, IT, non-IT, working, non-working. It does not have any sort of prerequisites. And this course has been designed to completely starting from the scratch, completely starting from the foundation to the extremely complex sort of real-time work related scenarios will be discussed as part of this particular training program. Okay. Guys, there there is first step that you have already taken to attend this particular training program, and you must be familiar little bit about ERP, or you might have heard that okay, there must be some training program that may help you to accelerate your career or to make your brighter future. Okay, so what are the various reasons that you will be taking up this particular course or any of the ERP course? The major reason, if you ask me, I can call these reasons are that you can be able to secure a job. The job as a fusion technical consultant is very secure job market. Okay, you will be working with the top tier sort of employers. You will not be working with very small organizations or something. All big customers, big clients that you will be working is like TCS, General Electronics, Emirates Group, Adani Group, Reliance Group, the biggest of the groups that you might have heard about, you will be getting an opportunity to work with those sort of companies. Because this sort of technology is recession free. It doesn't matter whether the companies or there is a recession or there is no recession. It does not usually impact your job profile. I have never witnessed in last 20 years of my career that I have seen that, okay, due to the recession, anybody is losing a job who's a ERP consultant. Okay. Guys, there will be a best packages that has been offered to the ERP consultant. It is not just a developer sort of job. It is not making you a Java developer or .NET developer, but it is something similar to some sort of consulting work that you are going to offer as per your expertise. Like you might have seen in your day-to-day life, like CA is a consultant, lawyer is a consultant, doctor is a consultant. Similar way, you are a specialized ERP consultant offering your skill set, your knowledge for companies to run, behave, and manage their operations in most advanced manner and most efficient manner. So we will be paid well in this particular domain. Okay. The very rewarding thing is, guys, since we are working for a multinational companies, global companies, big companies who has been spread across the world, there is a high chances that being as a consultant, being as an employee into any of the project, we will be getting a frequent opportunities to travel, and there will be on-site opportunities across different levels. Maybe you're a junior resource, senior resource, architect, different sort of roles may be there, and you will be frequently getting an on-site opportunities while working for your customers. Okay. Guys, definitely, if you're taking up this particular course, it is very important for you to understand somebody who's already into a job, looking for a change into your job, you want to promote within your original teams, or somebody who's the fresher and they are looking for that, okay, if I'm taking up this particular course, what sort of the opportunities, which companies may be offering the jobs to me. Okay, so guys, mainly the companies that may offer the jobs, they can be classified into three categories. One is the product-based company, service-based company, and client-based company. Guys, this fusion is one sort of tool which has been built by the company Oracle. So who's the product? The product is built by the Oracle. So Oracle as a company may hire the consultant who are skilled with their tool because they want to multiple times enhancement, new developments, new areas, new scope. They need to involve the consultant to bring new facilities, new features into their software. That is the reason they might require a trained fusion consultant. So the companies who owns the software, they may hire you. Second thing, guys, suppose Oracle has built the software and there is one company, suppose LIC of India is the company who has purchased this particular software. So that is the client for this particular product. And there may be the opportunities that LIC of India may hire you, SBI may hire you, SDFC Bank may hire you in their internal IT team, considering you are an expert for that particular technology as a consultant, so that you can review what the things are being getting implemented, and you will give your expertise comments and support the business to being managed and run effectively and more efficient manner. Okay, so two kind of companies. One is the product based companies and the one is client based company, which is the actual companies who are going to purchase the software. And in between, guys, there are certain sort of service based companies. These companies are not actual buyer of the software, but they have a set of consultants who are experienced, who are skilled, who knows how to use this software, how to configure the software. So you may be easily getting hired by these sort of companies who are the service provider company. Once the client has purchased the software from Oracle, they may hire some service-based industries, maybe Deloitte, maybe PwC, EY, Accenture, TCS. They will hire these company that, okay, we have purchased this software, but we does not have the expertise. Please come with your team and help us to use this software, implement this software for us as per our business needs. Okay, so guys, these are the three different categories of company that you may target to be getting hired, and there is no limitation, or you can say any sort of challenges in terms of that, okay, only the skilled person can be hired, or very experienced or senior person will be hired, only the product development team. No, each of these type of company may require different varieties of experienced people, and they may be open up to hire any level of experienced consultant or even fresher consultants. Okay, so guys, as we discussed that what this particular course and who should take up this particular course. If you're a college student, you want to excel and grow some knowledge so that you can prepare for your future interviews, for your campus interviews. If you're a fresher already looking out for some sort of internship, or you doesn't know what you should say, that what are the areas that you're skilled with to face the interviews, you can take up this particular courses. If you are a working professional who want to switch the domain, or you just being into the same technology, maybe from the Oracle side itself, and you want to transition, or you want to do some sort of skill building because of your current challenges that you're facing, or because of an opportunity that you want to crack within your company for sort of promotion and all. And in case you have some sort of gap in your career and you want to come back to some sort of domain which is secured, which is not that much sort of complexity being involved, and which is technical but does not require any that hardcore technicals and coding to be written. In that case, this is the perfect sort of software or tool that you should need to opt in to learn and accelerate into your careers. Okay, talking about, guys, it is very important for you that if you are enrolling into this particular course, you may be able to understand the benefit of the course and the utilization of this course and how this course is going to help you. But it is also equally important that you should choose a right partner through which you could be enrolling into the course, investing your valued money and time to learn this particular course. So guys, talking about Triotech, we are specialized only into the Oracle and related softwares. Okay, we have already conducted more than 1000 batches, and roughly, as you see today, also 60 plus participants. Roughly we have a batch of 30 to 50, 30 to 40 participants. Okay, we have almost trained almost 20,000 plus consultant. We are a corporate partner, corporate training partners for various MNCs which are looking forward to us to train their newly hired resources or their experienced professionals into new technologies related to Oracle. Guys, we are equipped with the well-trained experienced trainers. Those trainers like me, we are not just the trainers, we are an architect. We have been having a vast experience into that particular specific domain, and we have been already working into different multinational companies, conducting and offering our services in real time solutioning offering. So whatever that we are going to discuss and learn in these particular trainings from our institute, that is a sort of real-time training that we are going to offer. Guys, this institute that we are going to have currently, if you see our satisfaction score or any sort of feedbacks onto our site or into our Google platform, you will see 100% satisfaction score about the institute. We believe into a collaboration in some sort of that this is not a relationship that we will be uh, respecting only during the course of training, but you can be always being in touch with us. We will be supporting, helping, and addressing your queries as and when necessaries, and our uh, place, our connections will be always available to support you in terms wherever it is required. Since we have a pool of companies which has been collaborated with us, we have already trained 20,000 consultants, and all these consultants are already placed into different sort of organization. So we have a good number of consultants which you may be, if you're joining any companies, you may be finding our trained consultants as a folk. They can help you, support you into your real-time job hunting, as well as to get you easily onboarded into your companies. Okay. Guys, this particular training program that we are going to offer, that is 100% practical training. In addition to that, whatever the explanation that we are going to cover up, that is on top of the practicality. But the focus area is that everything that we are going to learn, that should be a practical hands-on demonstration and practicing, followed by some sort of assignments that we are going to offer and give to you guys. Okay. In addition to that, guys, it is also very important that you should need to understand who's going to train you guys. Okay, because maybe the course is very good, training is also being conducted well. Okay, in terms of institute is also very good. Maybe you joined the IIT, but your batchmate, your trainer is not good. Okay, so talking about the trainer, guys, I have myself Piyush Jain. I am working as a solution architect. I have already trained almost 2000 plus consultants. I am a corporate trainer. I have been working with TCS, GE, Oracle. I am certified Oracle certified consultant, and I have been specialized into Oracle and related technologies to provide solutions, offerings, and trainings. Okay. In overall, I am having over 18 years of experience entirely into Oracle, and Oracle especially into the enterprise solutions of the Oracle. Okay. Guys, I only created the course content, so I have been into the market, understand what is the things. I have been regularly hiring. I have been onboarded with several companies to being the panelist of their interview panels and all. So I know what is the demand of the organization, what are the needs of a organization to hire the consultant, what sort of skills are required. Accordingly, we have created this particular course that will help us to learn the actual complexities or to address the actual problem statements that may be faced by the company, so that from the first day of joining, you will be able to actual contributor into the teams. Okay. Fine, guys. So as if you're taking up this particular course, it is also important for you to understand as an
Sorry to
institute.
interrupt, Piyush. I mean, someone has did this annotating. So could you please erase that because we are not able to do it,
I'm
and I think it
I'm
will be
also
disturbing to the
I'm also
students.
I'm also not able to do that, I guess. Just a second.
Team, a small request from our side. So please don't click on this annotate option because it will be distracting to other students. So please focus on the session. Yeah, thank you.
Fine, guys. Sometime it will just happen. No issues. Please try to focus onto the session without clicking anywhere so that it will be easy to focus and understand. So, guys, as we were discussing, like we discussed what the training is all about, what we are going to offer, which sort of organizations that you can be hired, what we are as an institute, and who I am. In addition to that, guys, it is also very important for you to understand that as part of this particular training program, what you will be getting, what are the offerings that you can be getting. So guys, as part of this particular training program, whatever the teachings that we are going to have, whatever the PPTs, notes that we are going to prepare or that we have already provided, that will be offered and handed over to you guys from the first day of the enrollment. You will be provided the interview questions, you will be provided with the sample resumes, you will be provided a full complete access for Oracle Fusion software. 5 month full access has been provided to you guys, so that this is a real-time system available to you. So whatever you are going to learn with us, you can practice. Guys, you have been provided with almost 200 plus real-time business components in terms of different sort of tools that we are going to learn. For that, different samples we have created, that samples will be handed over to you from the first day of the enrollment. Okay. In addition to that, guys, as we discussed that, okay, there are being two softwares that we are majorly learning. One is Fusion and one is OIC. First, we will be targeting to complete Fusion, and then we will be targeting to start up with the OIC. In that OIC access also being offered to you for 2 months. Guys, all the trainings that we are going to have will be recorded on daily basis, and on a daily basis that will be uploaded into our own personal learning hub. We have our own learning hub where lifetime access for those recorded videos will be provided to you. You can refer those videos anytime, n number of time, at any place. This particular learning hub will be accessible for all the devices. Just you need to have an internet. You should be having your own username, password, and you can refer and go through with those particular recordings. Okay, guys, we will be assisting you with some sort of internship if you want, some sort of freelancing opportunities, as well as we will guide and help you with the certification in case you are interested to take up some sort of certifications from the Oracle side. Guys, we will be available for on call assistance, any sort of one-on-one connect. If you sometime require, sometime it may happen that okay, you need some sort of assistance, you can reach out to admin, plan, discuss, and based on the availability of the trainer or some skilled professional, we may arrange those sort of facilities. Okay, in addition to that, guys, we will be regularly conducting a mock interview at our institute. Once you keep learning different things, if you find yourself comfortable with those particular things, you prepare your resume on those particular topics, submit the topic, and schedule for the mock interview to reevaluate yourself, to judge yourself that okay, what is the level that you are learning, grasping, and you are fit for the actual interviews or not. Okay, in addition to that, guys, as we tell that okay, this is 100% practical training. Okay, in addition to that, one very important thing that I would like to offer, guys, there's an early bird offer that we are going to offer today. Okay, after this particular demo, everyone who's going to enroll today, there will be a additional offer. There will be a 2 months of additional access for Fusion system will be provided. In addition to that, there will be a 2000 discount will be provided to those who will be enrolling today. Okay. Hope that is clear. So guys, talking about Fusion, if you are getting into the Fusion sort of software, if you are learning this particular software, it's okay, you became a consultant, you learn so many things, and then you will be joining the companies. Then companies might be executing some sort of projects. So before we actually start learning what is Fusion, what we are going to cover into this particular course curriculum, what are the topics that we are going to cover, what are the subtopics, what are the details of each of those things, we would like to make you understand that okay, as a consultant, as a person that you are working as a Fusion employee, if you are working into any of the companies, you may be encounter or you may see these sort of projects are being getting executed into the companies. One sort of project is implementation project. Some of the participants may be from the Oracle background or already into the ERP background, they may understand. But somebody who doesn't understand, guys, implementation project is something that if some client has a land and they said that, okay, please come and build the house into my land. Like from freshly from scratch, they have purchased the software from Oracle. They said that, okay, we have purchased this software, but we don't know how to use it. Please come and make this software work for us, configure this software as per our business requirement. That is the implementation that we are supposed to do. Some may be getting deployed into a project that will be a support project. Companies will say that, okay, we have implemented the software, we are very satisfied, we are using the software, but we need a dedicated team of experts that in case we will stuck somewhere, in case we found some issues, we need those consultants to support us to get us overcome that particular challenges or problem areas. So in the company, support projects are also going on, and the participants may be actively involving into a support projects. Guys, once the companies has purchased the software, they have implemented, the support is also going on. Suppose the house has been constructed for two stories, and now there is an extension, new family members are joining, and the owners thought that, okay, let's enhance the house, we will extend one more floor into the house. That's how the companies may say that, okay, we have implemented the software for certain portions, we have implemented certain portion we have not used at the moment. Again, they will call the consultant that please come join our team and enhance our software. Okay, rollout projects are the projects, guys, extending the functionality. Suppose the software has been used to be used and manage the resources in India, but the companies are operating into UK. They said that, okay, we are very much pretty much satisfied with the software which we are using and configured into India. Now we want to use this particular software to Qatar, we want to use this into Japan, and we want to use to run and manage our business into UK. That is called the rollout. We will roll out different softwares based on the different countries. Okay, similar way, guys, there may be projects called upgrade. That's this software, the Oracle Fusion software, will be sold by Oracle to the client, but Oracle may come up with some sort of free upgrades which Oracle used to offer every quarter. Every 3 months Oracle will come up with new feature, new enhancement. So some of the features client understand and they automatically start using. Some of the features Oracle push but client does not need, they will not use. And some of the feature for which client want to use but they don't know how to use them, they need some specialized team who will come support them to upgrade their software. So these are the projects, different type of projects that may be executed into different companies. Hope you are able to understand this. And guys, as a consultant, we may be tagged into any project as a life cycle of a consultant. We may be sometime into an implementation project, support project, enhancement project, upgrade projects, multiple different sort of executions of project across different customers, different geographies, different sort of subject areas we will be supporting and working upon. Okay. Similarly, guys, as we said that, okay, we are going to be a consultant. This particular course is majorly focusing on to technical consultant. Whatever that we are going to work and learn in this particular course training, that is toward your journey that you will become a fusion technical consultant. But there may be different sort of roles into the organization. Okay, certain a team of a consultant, like suppose Adani Group has purchased a software from Oracle and they have hired TCS as their partner, that okay, we have purchased this software, please send your set of consultant, please send a team that will configure this software for me to make this software work for my refinery business. Suppose that is the requirement. So guys, there is not a single person go, there may be multiple person will go, and these person may be of different sort of skill sets. Some may be a technical consultant, functional consultant, or a mix of both. Some techno-functional means they know little bit technical, little bit functional. So they will act as a bridge between technicality and functionality. There may be a consultant who are the testers or the end user of the application who will be actually using the application for certain purposes. Okay. There may be a admin. Admin are the people who will manage the end-to-end application, manage their security, the access. They will create the user. They will set the password. They will implement some sort of policies. These are the role of a admin. And same way as we are learning OIC as well, so we are learning to become a technical consultant as well as an integration consultant. Integration consultant, the role of an integration consultant is to exchange the data. There is one company who's using software as a Oracle Fusion, and they want to pay the salary, and Adani Group has to pay the salary through SDFC Bank. SDFC Bank may be using SAP as a software. So Adani Group has to send the salary details of their employee to SDFC Bank. How they will send, how the data can be exchanged. For that, there is a specialized skills and tools that is required. That is an integration specialist role. So we will be becoming an integration specialist as well as a fusion technical consultant. That is the course that we are offering. And in addition to that, guys, anybody who's a technical consultant, over a period of time, slowly and steadily, little by drop, we will be learning some features to act as a functional user or to act as an end user, because we will be getting familiar with the software, getting familiar with the screens, navigations, transactions. So as part of this particular training, although we are focusing as a technical and integration, but eventually you will be learning certain aspects of end user as well as certain aspects of to become your techno-functional consultant, because you will be learning little things about the functionalities also. Okay. So guys, as we said that, okay, we are majorly focusing and working as a technical consultant. So as a technical consultant, what are the major work? What is the role of a technical consultant that they will be involved into? So guys, the major work of a technical consultant is that there has been different sort of tools or technologies offered by Oracle. Using those tools and techniques, as a technical consultant, what we are going to learn and work upon, we should be working upon to build some sort of reports. Okay, why the reports are required? Because we have to extract the data to share across, like as we said that, okay, Adani Group is running some reports to extract the data of their employee number, their bank account number, and the salary that is supposed to be credited for the month of May. This data, this report should be shared across with the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank software will read this data, which is in a format which has been acceptable and read by the HDFC Bank softwares, and they will process the data to make sure that the salary will be credited to respective employees. The accurate salary will be credited to accurate bank account number. So guys, that is the purpose that we need to have the reports. Like suppose Adani Group is paying the salary and they have to generate a report and they need to send that, okay, for each employee, what is the tax deducted, what is the PF deducted, and that statement, that report they want to submit to PF Authority of India. So these sort of requirements, real-time scenarios are there for which the reporting needs are there, where we are supposed to support the business to extract the data in some sort of format, in some sort of reports. So 90% as a technical consultant, we will be working, every technical consultant majorly working into the reports. Okay. Next, guys, data load activities. There has been bulk load data activities that as a technical consultant we will be supporting. Why we are supposed to support? Like suppose Adani Group is working, they have 1 lakh employees, they are managing their 1 lakh employees data, their business, they have 5 refineries. So to the business of those 5 refineries, they are managing with this particular software. Suddenly they have purchased one more refinery. Suddenly they have, you can say, got a merger with some other companies in UK. So those resources, those employees, those refineries data should also need to be managed into our own Fusion software. So for that, bulk data has been coming from, because of the mergers, because of the different sort of deals on different sort of transactions which are happening. And as a technical consultant, we are supposed to support the business, because if 10,000 employees has been merged to our company and the functional user or end user are supposed to key in the data from the forms, it will take ages, or it may take 1 month for them to make these particular employees available into our software. So as to expedite the things, to bring more accuracy, to bring faster execution of the data availability into the software, technical consultant will pitch in, and through different sort of technologies that we have, we will be providing a support to the business by loading the data. Okay. Guys, we as a consultant, we will be pitching into make certain sort of processes automation. Like suppose there is a process, all that process is manual. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 6. Okay, we want to automate that. Okay, no need to manually go to step 1 to 2, 2 to 3, but we will do something in between the system through different sort of tools that has been offered by Oracle to automate the thing. Same way, guys, suppose there is some sort of approvals configured into the system, or customer wants that, okay, I want to design some sort of workflow that, okay, if I'm promoting an employee, at the time of promotion, that transaction should need to be approved by the HR. Once the HR will approve, it should need to be approved by the head of the department. Once the head of the department will approve, it should need to be approved by the CHRO. Once these 3 persons will define and approve the transaction, then only the person will be promoted or terminated. Similar way, suppose the in supply chain or procurement, if somebody wants that, okay, if I'm creating an invoice, if the invoice amount is more than 10,000, it should need to be approved by the financial head. So these sort of customization, custom workflow, as a technical consultant, we will be designing these workflows. Okay. Same way, guys, there is a requirement. Suppose this is a pre-configured, pre-built software. In this software, you want to do some sort of customization. Client wants some sort of customization that, okay, I want to change the label name. I want to hide this particular field. I want to change the order of this particular section. I want to make this particular field mandatory. These are sort of customization. Like suppose if I give this particular PPT to you, you may want to change the look and feel of the application. Instead of blue color, you want to make it red. Instead of hexadecimal, you want to put a square. Instead of these orange bullets, you want to make it as a pink bullet into round shape. So these sort of customization as per the client requirement. If the client requires, there are certain tools and techniques that has been offered by Oracle. As part of this training program, we will be learning those tools to do those sort of customizations. Okay. So guys, as we said that, okay, this particular course has been designed taking you from the scratch, from the very basic till the expertise level. So anybody who's the fresher or who does not have any experience related to the technologies, or they are from the non-technical background, we are covering everything. We will be discussing about what this particular software is, how to access the software, what is data, what is information, okay, what are the different sort of data storaging methods, whether it is going to be stored into file or database, what is database, what are different sort of utilities offered by Oracle. We will be covering all those utilities, all the navigation, security, like what are the role of an admin, okay, how we are going to access the software, what is the user, what is the URL, how we are going to log in, how we are going to navigate into the software. All these things will be covered as a foundation, and we will be covering all those sort of things. If we're talking about file based operations, so guys, any file you might be having also created the file. Suppose your resumes are the file that you have created. They may be a Word file, Excel file, PDF file, CSV file. So different sort of file, what sort of operations that we can perform into the file. We can read from the file, we can write more content into the file, we can copy file, delete file. All these things we will be discussing, guys, as part of this particular foundation sessions that we are going to cover. Okay. And there has been very small sort of technicalities which are like XML, JSON, web services, what is data, what are SQL, how to insert the data, what sort of commands that we are going to write into SQL. Everything will be covered in very much in detail. The first thing is SQL statement. So guys, anybody who's from the EBS background or PeopleSoft background who already knows database, who knows that, okay, SQL is a subject which itself is quite vast, okay, which may contain different sort of commands, insert a statement, update a statement, delete a statement, PLSQL, packages, procedures. Guys, in context of Fusion made things very simple. Nothing is accessible and nothing can be written here in Fusion. We have been exposed only to extract the data, to fetch the data from the Fusion system. The data is being saved into the tables, and we can only fetch the data from the tables by writing the select statement. So all the permutation and combination, what are select statement, where clause, adding filters, making joins, different sort of functions that we can use, inner queries, okay, all these things we will be discussing in detail while we are learning through this particular course. Okay. Moving ahead, guys, it is important that you should be familiar and understand that, okay, what are the areas that we are going to, just a second. Just a second. So guys, as part of this particular training program, as we are going to cover so many things, there are certain things that you might have heard, you might have gone through, someone has suggested, or within your organization, you may have seen that, okay, there is a high scope of these particular tools or something. So we would like to mention that, okay, these are the things that we are not going to cover because these are not related to the Fusion Technical or OIC. Okay, Smart View, FRS report, FCS, Oracle Cloud infrastructure, FAW, Apex, these are the separate courses, separate sort of tools. These are also a kind of scopes or the work that has been offered by Oracle, but we are not covering because these are not nowhere related to the Fusion as a software. Okay. Talking about, guys, as we discussed that, okay, we will be making you understand, and we are focusing to make you as a technical consultant, but as by end of this particular course, you can claim yourself not as a technical but a techno functional, like 90% technical, but 5 to 10% functional also at least. So to make you familiar with the software, what is the use of a functionality, how you are going to navigate, how to access, how the different sort of transactions are being used, because there has been different tools, utilities that as a technical person we are supposed to use, but we have to use those tools within the software itself. So it is very important that we will understand how to navigate, what are the different sort of buttons, how to access the software, what are the different sort of instances, how to duplicate any content, how to create, update, search different sort of components into the software. All these things we will be discussing in detail as part of this particular training. Okay. Talking about, guys, we have three sort of product families into any enterprise application. One is human capital management, another one is supply chain management, and the third one is financial management. Guys, this ERP as a software stands for enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise is very big organization. Planning is to plan how these organizations are working. Resources, like to run the business, to run and manage your company, there must be some resources in the company, how you are going to manage these resources. So guys, the resources can be classified only in three manners. Okay. The first resource that you are going to refer and manage, that is manpower. The people, the employees of the companies are the resources for the company. You have to manage those resources, the manpower. You need to hire the employee, you have to pay them, they may go for leaves, you have to track them, you need to make them learn, you need to give them promotion, you need to transfer them, you need to retire them. So different sort of work that is related to the employee of the organization, that is called the manpower. Second thing is material. As an organization, you must be constructing something, you may be buying some product, you may be selling some product, you may be selling some services. These services and products are called different sort of materials. So as an organization, you need a software to manage your materials. Okay. Like the products that you are purchasing as a raw material, then you are processing, completing as a finished goods, then you're selling those products. So we will be managing through this software, the companies will be managing their material. And the third thing is money. Guys, using this software, definitely if you are dealing with manpower or if you're dealing with the material, you have to involve with the money. You have to buy the product, you have to pay the money. If you are selling the product, you will receive the money. So you have to account that money somewhere. For that, financial is the module that we are going to use as this particular software. Okay. And guys, this training that we are going to cover, that will cover financial, supply chain, and HCM. The tools that we are going to cover, those tools, some of the tools are very specific to financial, some tools are very specific for HCM, and some tools which are global, that if you learn that tool once, they may be applicable and useful for financial, supply chain, and HCM without any discrimination. So guys, we are also not discriminating in terms of any module. We are going to cover everything and anything at the time of the starting of the batch, whatever the technology which has been offered and available into the market as part of Fusion Technical, we are covering that. Okay. That is whether it is belonging to HCM, supply chain, or finance, everything we are going to cover. Okay. Talking about, guys, as we said that, okay, as a technical consultant, we will be working into extract the data or to generate some sort of report. So to generate the report and doing these things, guys, different sort of tools has been offered by Oracle. Like BIP is one of the technology, OTBI is one of the technology. These two are the technology which are common. If you learn this technology, which we will be focusing more, if you learn these two technology as a technical consultant, 70 to 80% of the work we will be always using and involving using these two tools. Okay. So these tools we will be learning. There is a tool that is very specific to the human capital management software. There is a tool that is common web services that we are going to learn. There may be a possibility that we have to insert the data, update the data, search the data directly from the UI. As we claim that, okay, not everything and every screen, but you will be getting a common understanding how to navigate, how to go to the screen, how to search and some item, how to edit, how to update, how to delete, how to create. So these are the different sort of ways that we are going to learn as part of this training to build the data extracts and reports. Okay, so we will be covering all these particular topics and these particular technology in detail as part of this particular training program. Okay, similarly guys, as we said that okay, as a consultant we may be required to support to bulk data load operations. So for bulk data load operations also guys, Oracle has offered different sort of tools. Some of the tools are very specific for the human capital management. Everywhere that you are seeing the tool is starting with H or it is written HCM, these tools are only for the human capital management, while everyday is the tool which is related to do bulk data operation for supply chain and financials. Web services is the tool which is common across all the module, and you will see that web services are the tool which are available for loading the data as well as for extracting the data. So this tool we are going to learn from the both ways, while extracting the data as well as loading the data. Okay. And guys, as we said that okay, as an admin, what is the admin role? How he's going to create a user, how he's going to set up the password for the user, how he will log the account, unlock the account, how he's going to assign the role. What do you understand by role? All these things we will be discussing in detail. So although as a technical consultant, we are not the admin. We should not need to know and work as an admin sort of work. But if we are going to claim that okay, we are a trained professional and we are working as a 2 years 3 years experience guy, if someone will ask, we should not be blank. That is the reason we are offering additional knowledge as in terms of little bit functional and complete whatever the work that admin is supposed to do. We are covering all these things as an application security also. Okay, we will be learning how to create and manage users, how to compare the roles, how we are going to assign the user roles, different type of roles which are available into the software, how we are going to create a custom roles, and whatever the roles which are available using that particular role, what sort of transaction, what sort of access that we can work and perform upon, that is to be accessible through the simulator. So we will be learning and as a tool also. Okay. In addition to that, guys, as we said that, okay, this particular software is a combination of different tools and small utilities. We are not actually going to write the code, but these small utilities that will help us to manage some sort of work for the business. So guys, these are the core utilities as part of this particular thing. Each of these utility that we have mentioned, these are different sort of tools that we are going to learn as part of this particular training program. Each of these tool has their own meaning and purpose and uses. Each of these we are going to learn in detail, and there may be few others also that we are going to learn as part of this particular training program. Okay, guys, whosoever is from the EBS background, if you know what is concurrent program, this schedule process is nothing but like a concurrent program. There may be some seeded programs, or we only created some programs and we are supposed to go somewhere and submit those programs. As in EBS, we used to go to the responsibility and go to the request and submit the request. Same way, there has been certain screens and utilities provided through which we are supposed to submit these programs. Okay. And guys, as we said that, okay, there may be a toolkit, there may be different sort of technologies that has been offered through which we can customize the application. Customer may come up with the thing that, okay, we have purchased this software. This software is coming into blue in color and the background is this. The logo is Oracle logo is coming, but I want to show the or Adani logo. So that is the customization is required. Some customer wants that, okay, I want to change the font. Some customer wants that, okay, I want to add one link here. Some customer wants that, okay, in this particular form, please hide this section or hide this particular field or make this particular field mandatory. So these are the different sort of customization. As bucket of the different sort of customization that we are going to learn, Oracle has offered different sort of tool. Each of these tool has a different meaning, and we will be learning these particular tools one by one as part of this particular training. Okay. And guys, as we said that, okay, there has been different sort of topics that we are going to learn, as we said that, okay, BIP is one of the technology that we are going to learn. So in BIP also, guys, the major areas that we are going to work, we are going to learn about the administrative task of the BIP report, how we are going to run the report, rename the report, download the report output, delete any report, cut, copy, paste the report. We will be learning how to build the end-to-end custom reports, different sort of components of the report that we are supposed to work upon, we are covering as part of this particular training program. We will be learning how to schedule the report. We will be identifying that, okay, how to write the SQL queries. We are being learning how the data has been stored into the different tables, where to find the different tables and create a query based on those tables to fetch the data. We will be learning, there may be lakhs of table which we cannot remember, but there may be some shortcuts, some tips, some techniques through which we will be able to understand and easily able to identify the table for our needs. So we will be learning the documentation, how to read through the documentation, what is the nomenclature of the table that we are going to learn. We are going to build the report extracting the data in different format. You want the extract to the data report into PDF format, CSV format, Excel format, zip file format. You want the PDF file which are password protected. You want to show the report which is having a logo. You want to show the report which is having a link. All these things we will be practically seeing as part of this particular training. Okay. And then how we are going to manage the securities. Suppose we build the report, one report you are running and one same report I am running. I am getting 10 records, you are getting 100 records, because as per the security imposed, you may be having a wider access. So you will be able to get more data while I have a limited access. I will be receiving less number of data while the report is same, while the security is different, or the security in terms of that we can protect the output of the report. The PDF file will be a password protected file. Okay. In addition to that, guys, as we move ahead, there is a techniques that are available like OTBI. So in OTBI is also one of the data extraction technology similar to BIP. We will be taking up OTBI. OTBI is also having administrative tasks, the different sort of components, how we are going to create an OTBI report, what are the different layouts which are available, how to add a graphs. There's a topic called dashboards, prompts. All these things we are going to learn as part of OTBI report in detail. Okay. Guys, as we said that, okay, we will be learning an OIC, we will be learning an integration. So there may be some building blocks that in the entire Fusion, all the data is being getting saved into the databases. But if you are fetching the data internally, the exchange of the data, coming of the data, if you're trying to fetch the data will be either mostly getting fetched into the XML. So we are never going to create any XML file as part of this particular training program. Oracle will create a XML file, but it is good to know as an XML consultant what is XML, how to create an XML file, what are the tags available into the XML file, what are the benefits. All these things we will be covering as part of this particular training. Okay. Similar way, guys, there is something called JSON. What is JSON? How we are representing the data into JSON format. We will be covering that also in detail. Last thing before we move into OIC, we have something called web services. Different kind of web services. What is service? What is web services? What is consumer? What is service provider? What are the different tools that we are going to use to consume the web services? Live demonstration of actual real-time 50+ Oracle services that we are going to use and demonstrate. Okay, we will be learning different sort of tools that has been offered by web services to be tested. What is input and output payload, different sort of methods offered by Oracle. Okay, all these things we will be practically seeing as part of this particular training program. Moving ahead, guys, once we are done with the Fusion as a training Fusion technical course, then we will be moving as an integration specialist, for which we have a tool called OIC is the tool. We will be starting with very basic learning about the different navigation, administrative tasks, running the integration, some sort of very simple integration like hello world integration, creating a sum of two numbers, creating a calculator sort of integration, understanding if anybody knows little bit about the programming like for loops, while loops, switchers, if then else statement. All these things we are going to learn, but there is no coding being involved. Everything is just a drag and drop sort of functionality. If you are familiar how to use Microsoft Paint, then you are able to, within this particular training itself, you will be a, I cannot say that you are a champ, because in real time definitely you will be facing some real time scenarios, real time problems, but you can claim like out of 100% you will be knowing 70 to 75%, and that is good amount of skills and experience into that technology. Okay. Then guys, in OIC we will be moving into the actual actions, different sort of complex integration, learning about how to deal with the loops, while loops, different sort of functions, how to send the email notification, switchers, parallels, different sort of assign activity, different sort of variables. Okay. And different sort of files operation, all these things we will be learning as part of the OIC. Moving ahead, guys, very important topic in OIC. There has been predefined connectors or an adapters offered by Oracle. We will be focusing only all the major adapters that in a real-time scenarios we are using. Like FTP adapter is to deal with the file sort of operations, ERP operations to connect with the Fusion application, ATP to connect with any sort of databases, file-based operations is also for the FTP operation, HCM is to connect with the specifically human capital management software, and different sort of REST and SOAP APIs. As part of web services, since we are learning 50 plus services, we will see how to integrate those services through OIC and call those services in OIC application. Okay. In top of that, guys, we will be especially covering here, since now Oracle has been moving into a new advanced technology that is called Redwood. So as part of this particular training, whenever, wherever it is applicable and required, we will be giving you the hands, tips and the knowledge about the Redwood, as well as certain aspects of, since the technology has been moved to Redwood, so it is very important for the consultant to be familiar about the VBCS. So we will be covering the VBCS, covering how to create a custom tables, custom business object, how to load the data into those particular business object, how to create a custom hello world page, how to create different sort of actions, like on click of button, something should need to happen. We will be creating a custom pages. Currently, Oracle is offering certain pages which are predefined. Those pages are that you can search the data, you can insert the data, update the data, delete the data. So we will be covering all these topics, like how we are going to search the page, search the content, how we are going to insert, update, delete, and we will be seeing how we are going to call a REST APIs into these particular pages. Guys, this is not a actual scope of the course, but as part of this particular learning program, since Redwood is very much in demand and it is being right at our doorstep, that Oracle is transforming from responsive pages to the Redwood pages. That is the reason we will be trying to cover these topics also as part of this particular training program. Okay. Clear, guys? Guys, very brief, I would like to express like Fusion is a product which has been offered by Oracle, and Oracle product application has different sort of standards and protocols and how they are going to build. Like you may see, Oracle is a company which has their several products, which all the products are an enterprise applications. Some of the commonly used or famous products are Oracle EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, and different sort of Oracle on-demand software. And what is the existence of Fusion as a software? How Oracle will come into picture? What is the background? What is the background story of the Fusion as a software? What is the evaluation of ERP tools? All these things we will be discussing in as part of this particular learning journey. So that, guys, what has happened, Oracle being a pioneer into the ERP application, Oracle is almost a 5 decades old company which is working extensively into the handling and managing the database, as well as producing a ERP sort of application. So guys, Oracle has different sort of tools. Over a period of last 50 years, Oracle has some of the very renowned softwares in terms of ERP applications. Some of these softwares are EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edward. So over a period of time, guys, what Oracle has figured out that, okay, certain feature of these applications are very good. Certain features of these applications is very good. Since all these are Oracle product, Oracle has studied these products in detail. They created a one committee or some core team and they said that, okay, let's come up with the software which is best of the best, which will contain all the best of the best features across all the application that we have, making the tool as a standardized tool, keeping the same sort of technology across, keeping the same look and feel about the technology. And that's how the existence of this new tool has come, which is a best of the best features which are available into other softwares which has been run and managed by the Oracle. This software is based on the offerings with based on these particular softwares. Okay, clear? So guys, as we discussed, as part of our consultant that we have been into, we will be having a different sort of teams into an organization. There is a team of 10 to 15 consultant. In the consultant, guys, there may be 5 technical consultant, 5 functional consultant, 1 admin, 1 person in a functional consultant. He's an expert into security related matter. As a technical consultant, 1 or 2 consultants may be very good and they are majorly focused and skilled with the data extraction technology, maybe BIP and OTBI. One consultant who's extremely skilled and talented into doing bulk data load of activities. So it is not that, okay, as a consultant, you have to be focused and learning all the tools and techniques. Okay, if you know 1 or 2 or 3, then also you will be getting an opportunity, because across different organization, different sort of projects that are going on, there will be a different skill sets are required. It is not something that someone asks that, okay, I need somebody who definitely knows customization and he should be knowing approval management, he should be knowing the BIP report, he should be knowing the data loading activities. But as part of this particular training program, we will be covering everything in detail. Okay. In addition to that, guys, just to highlight what we are going to cover and offer, guys, we will be tracking all these things as we discuss what we are going to cover, why we are going to take up this particular ERP course, why you are going to take this course from us. These are the offerings that we are going to offer, guys. We will be giving you online training, lifetime access for recorded videos, training documents, everything will be provided. All the contents, all the PPT, PDF will be offered. We will be giving you an access, and these are the specialized things that we are going to offer, guys. Freelancing opportunity, references, mock interview, sample resume, job assistance. Okay, in addition to that, if you are going to enroll today, you will be provided an access where you will be getting a 7 months of access for the fusion and 2 months of 2000 of additional discount. In addition to that, guys, we will be covering everything in detail, the detailed course content about each of the lecture that we are going to cover, each of the training, each of the topic that we are going to cover. Lecture wise detail has been mentioned here, guys. Like suppose if we took an lecture related to BIP as a subject area, we are going to start, suppose BIP, we will be covering about BIP, creating a different sort of data models, creating a report, different type of reports that are possible into BIP, all will be covered. Different complex scenarios, scheduling, all these things we are going to cover in detail. Similarly, guys, taking any of the topic that we will pick it up, everything has been mentioned as part of a course curriculum, and we are going to demonstrate and learn from the practical demonstration of these particular topics that we have been offering as part of this particular course curriculum. Data loading activities, how to prepare the file, what are the architect, what are the interview questions. Guys, we will be providing different sort of tools as has been offered by Oracle. So what is the purpose different tools are offered? There may be some tool has an advantage over other tools, some tool may be having some sort of limitation. So I will be providing these handwritten notes which will help you to understand the gaps, limitation, advantages, disadvantages, so that as a consultant, once you are actually facing the requirements, facing the problem statements from the customer, you will be able to address which tool is best suitable to the client need, and accordingly you will offer the solution to them. Okay, guys, we will be handing over these sort of assignment to you guys for each of the topic that we are going to cover as part of the training. we have the assignments mainly, and we will be providing these assignments that you can practice and have a hands-on at your own also. Okay. In addition to that, guys, there has been frequent ask that okay, we should be offering, or students may be requesting to have the some sort of interview questions. So guys, we are keeping these sort of actual interview questions, although I am not recommended to use through them, because everything that we are going to discuss, that is a real time sort of thing, and everything I will be covering in detail, asking you, explaining you, questioning you, answering to from the interview perspective also. But as per needs, if required, for each of the topics, we will be providing and handing over these particular interview questions, so you can have an idea and you can practice and refer these particular questions and prepare yourself for the interviews also. Okay. Talking about, guys, the software that we are going to use, this is the actual instance that we have. This instance, guys, from scratch, how we are going to access. Guys, to access the software, we will be starting that, okay, you will be handed over with this particular URL. And how to access this software, we have to go, if we have an internet connection, go to any of the browser, put this URL and hit enter, and we will be landing into the login screen. You will be provided with your username password. Once we go and enter the username password, everyone will be provided the URL, username, password, and once you enter, you will be landing into this software, and this software will take you to this home screen. How to access this software, what are these different buttons, how to access, what are these different tiles, how, what and how we are going to add and access these particular things. Okay. And how to log in, how to log out, how to access the backend tables, how to access the BIP layer, where we are going to see the different sort of utilities. Everything, guys, we are going to learn from this. Like, this is the navigator, how to access the thing from the navigator, as we discuss about different sort of utilities that we are going to learn about. All the utilities that we are going to learn are available into tools. All the utilities are not within the scope as per as a technical consultant, because whatever which are available from the technical consultant, we will be learning as part of this, like set preferences, security console, report and analytics, schedule processes, transaction console, and download desktop integrator. Okay, all these things we will be learning. Same way as we said that, okay, there are certain tools and configurations which are for the customization purpose. So we will be learning all these things. And as we said that, okay, this is not just a technical, but you will be getting familiar as a functional as well. How and why? Because these tools are directly accessible from the software, within the software. So if you are using this software, if you are using this particular feature, you have to come to this software, navigate to the software, and you will be getting familiar and hands-on with the functional navigations and different sort of perspective about this particular software. Okay. So guys, this is what I have planned for today, to let you understand what this course is all about, what we are going to cover, how we are going to cover. In addition to that, guys, as we said and discussed, like for each of the topic that we have, okay, we have these sort of training material already available. As for the demo, as for the different sort of trainings and topics that we are going to cover, we have these sort of softwares available. We have different sort of PPTs available for most of the topics. Okay, these PPTs are self-explanatory, explaining all the topics with all the navigations, all the different sort of scenarios that we are going to cover, different tables, how to create the items, the navigations, and the screenshot of each of the activities that you're going to perform, the definition of the topics that we are going to cover. So all these material will be handed over to you guys as part of this particular training. Mostly all the notes which has been offered by Oracle, some predefined PDF files which are previously available or only to the registered customer is available. Only to the registered paid customers, there are certain files, some PPT, some sort of PDF are available. As a part of this particular training, if we have gathered those particular thing, everything has been accessible and put it across into these particular folders for your references, guys. Okay, and as part of this particular training program, everything will be handed over to you from the very first day. Okay, talking about the services, guys, if we refer the practical demonstration of SOAP UI tool, Postman tool, if you see all these actual sample payload which you can directly use into your live projects. You does not need to search for the web services, what are the inputs, what are the syntax, how you are going to use. Getting these 20 plus web services and different sort of offerings. Like suppose if we talk about one service that is related to calling the BIP report. Okay, this is the service. In this service you see that okay, this service offers so many sort of functionalities, and out of these functionalities, whatever the services which are really in real time useful and accessible and useful for the you can use and refer in any of the projects that you are going to refer. Everything we are going to cover and explain in detail. So every function that is ending with FG, that is for your sample that we have kept that you can refer and use. Okay, similarly guys, these are the 5-6 different main sort of services that as a technical consultant we are supposed to work upon, and for each of the service there may be different sort of operations are available. Like suppose UCM is one of the service to play around with the file. So to play around the file, to upload the file, delete the file, download the file, to get whether the file is available or not available, to search any file, to update the already existing file, all possible scenarios which are available from the services, everything has been practically handed over to you guys. Okay. So guys, this is what I have planned for today. I am just making you unmute. If you have any questions, queries, doubts, okay, please feel free to ask and I will be able to address your queries. And as I have again requested you again that, okay, after this particular demo, this is the demo session, and tomorrow onwards we will be actually having a live class for which the admin will be sharing the Zoom link only for the enrolled students. Okay, so please make sure and make a best use of the early bird offering so that you will be getting an access 2 months of additional access as well as 2000 of discount as well. Okay, overall I guess the per month access for this Fusion instance is costing you 2500 per month, so it will be a good deal to get enrolled today only. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so team, before getting into the questions, like we have a small announcement. So first of all, thank you everyone for taking your time to attend this demo, and thank you so much, Piyush, for the session. And 1 second, team. Yeah. So team, as Piyush mentioned, the actual course price is 25,000. In that you will get, first of all, I'll re-highlight the course offerings. So in this you will get 2 months of live training. So daily Monday to Saturday, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. IST, you will have 1 hour live session. So it's a 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. IST. Please do check the time slot in your time zone and make yourself available. So daily, it's a 2 months program, and along with that, you will get lifetime video access. So team daily session will be recorded and uploaded to the portal that you will be having access for the lifetime. So after the training program, also anytime if you want to refer based on your job requirements, you can just refer the videos. Along with that, we will be providing the 5 months of the Fusion server access and 2 months of the OIC server access to practice the application. And once your training has been completed, you will be assisted with the placements. Like the placement assistance starting from the resume preparation, like how the freshers can the prepare the resume, how the experienced people, like let's say if anyone had a career gaps or if anyone had a other domain experience, and if you want to manipulate your existing experience and want to show it in Oracle Fusion Technical plus OIC, so how you can prepare the resume, like what are the projects you need to keep, how you can portray yourself in the interviews. So everything was guided. And along with that, you will be giving with the interview question and answers, like as Piyush shown, like for each and every topic, we'll be giving the interview questions. Along with that, we will be giving the materials for each and every topic, and we will be conducting the mock interviews team. So after your training program, we'll be taking the mock interviews. So that will be helpful for you to when you are facing the real time interviews. And along with that, we do have tie-ups with the companies. Like usually, our students and also the HRs from our tie-up companies will reach out to us for the trained freshers or the trained experienced profiles. So we will also post our openings in our WhatsApp statuses, our Instagram channels. So if anyone have already interacted with us before this demo, so you can also observe daily we'll be posting almost like 4 to 5 requirements from our end in our WhatsApp statuses and also in our Instagram channels. So this is how the program was designed. It's a end-to-end real-time training program with placement assistance. So team, whoever interested, we request everyone to please do reach out to us. Or along with that, our team is also posting the payment link to confirm the enrollment. So team, only for today, we have this like early bird offer price. So usually it's at 25,000. Only for the first day enrollments, we are giving it 22,999 with 2 months additional Fusion server access. So as it's too late night here, so maybe you can confirm the enrollment by tonight or by tomorrow first off. The offer will be valid by tomorrow first off. So whoever interested, please do click on the payment link that we have given over the chat, and you can confirm the enrollment and you can share the screenshot to us so that our team will be releasing the access. And one more thing I want to discuss, team, like whoever want to discuss like about your experience, like if you want to fill your career gaps and want to restart your career in technical and OIC, or if you want to manipulate your existing experience, so we request you to just reach out to us offline and we can guide you, because each and every one case is different. So better to reach out to us offline and we can discuss and we can guide you. Apart from that, if you have any questions related to the subject, or like if you have anything relate other things, so please like unmute and you can start asking the questions. Thank you. Thank you,
So,
everyone.
so just last minute, guys, before you start up, okay, as you see that, okay, these are the recent placements that we have received, okay, the students which has been trained across different sort of background, different sort of experiences, they have been recently placed into different sort of companies. And as you see, these are not just, these most of our like tier 1 companies that our student has been placed into, okay. And in addition to that, guys, as we said that, okay, we have been partner and regularly getting a direct updates from the recruiters for the skilled or trained professionals, so we can help you to get your CV shortlisted and reach out to those sort of channel partners. In addition to that, as we said that, okay, we are regularly posting these sort of frequent job openings being regularly being posted into our WhatsApp group, so you will be regularly getting these sort of updates and you should start preparing and applying for these particular sort of things. And most of these companies we are already being tied up through their recruiters, or our students are only being getting placed, so we have a good network there only, okay. In addition to that, guys, if as anything that you have been going through these as we have mentioned, and now over to you guys as a question and answer. If you have any questions that you would like me to address, please feel free to ask those questions. Over to you guys.
Yeah, hi Push.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, my question is, I mean, for this two month duration, how much is the duration of OIC actually? How many days you will take to taught us OIC, to teach OIC?
So may I know who's this?
Yeah, my name is Sagar,
Come again.
and my name is Sagar actually.
Okay. So Sagar, there is no specific bifurcation that okay, 50% in this or 50% is this. We will target to
Okay.
close every topic or most of the real-time scenarios and everything. Okay. The thing is like roughly you can say the OIC is not only with the OIC thing, but it is the OIC journey will start from to understand the data, understand the web services, understand XML, JSON, different sort of web services. So roughly you can say 10 to 15 class are for the OIC. And since we have the VBCS also, maybe 2, 3, 4 more class more on that. Okay. So we don't have the actual bifurcation of the class of each of the topic, but roughly each of the topic like BIP will take 5 to 6 class. Once you get to see the course and we will be start, it all depends how the batch is picking up the things. Okay. We are committed that okay, we will be providing a real-time scenario and roughly the course will be around 45 to 50 hours of the course. Okay.
Okay. So 15-20 days is enough to, I mean, in OIC, I mean, so to build the integrations.
That is what is enough, right? You will see
Okay.
like as we said that okay, we will be starting from very scratch. We will be giving you the assignment, we will be demonstrating everything. If we talk about
Okay.
that okay, we are discussing about the ATP adapter. ATP adapter
Yeah.
is supposed to use the database sort of work. So every operations which you are going to do with the database, you want to insert, you want to delete, you want to update, you want to run the package procedure, we will be demonstrating all those things. If we said that okay, we want to send the email, so email is a direct mail, email with the dynamic subject area, email with the attachment. We will be having and demonstrating all these things. If we say that, okay, we will be having an integration where we will be looking into some sort of file-based operations. So reading a file, writing a file, deleting a file, listing down the file, zipping the file, all these things will be covered. Okay. So it is very quite extensive sort of things. And if you don't know OIC and considering that OIC as a buzzword into the market, then it may be not fitting into your mindset that, okay, how is it possible? But OIC being as a tool like a paint, it is just a drag and drop sort of thing. Okay. And some wizard will open and all the uniformity and the tool is like very uniform. If you understand how to use one drag and drop button, you will be able to understand other also very quickly. Okay. So the course has been
Okay.
designed that it will cover all the things in detail. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
fine. Yes, Avinash, over to you.
I have one question will you you are going to cover that tables as well, since for the BI report we have to know the table, right? Say like if
Yes,
someone asks.
yes, Avinash. So as a technical consultant, but basically if someone is asking from the interview perspective, no one remembers the table actually. Okay. But little bit here and there, rough words also at least you should need to know. We will be showing you how to search the table, what are the repository, what are the major tables available, how to make the joins, how to identify which table can be joined based on which joins, which common column, what is the nomenclature, that how we will be identifying the tables. All these things we will be discussing in detail. Okay,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
fine. Thank you, Avinash.
Is there any join conditions while for example, if different modules is there like HRM, HCM module, finance module, some other module, right? How do we identify like tables?
So that is what I'm saying, Shankar. There has been a free repository offered by Oracle. We will go, everything has been offered by Oracle into an open internet. We will see and explain you how to search for those sort of documents, because different customer that you're accessing, you cannot carry your laptops. You have to rely on to the documentation offered by Oracle, right? In that documentation, there may be 10,000 tables listed down. So how to identify the correct table? There is a tricks and tips available for that that we will be teaching and making you comfortable with. Okay.
Yeah, hi, this is Suresh. I've got a question about the actual sessions. Say, if you miss any of the sessions, will there be any recording to refer back, or how it
Yes,
works?
so yes, Suresh, as we said that okay, we have a e-learning portal. Daily recordings will be uploaded into e-learning portal, and you will be having a lifetime access for those recordings.
All right, okay. Sorry,
Okay.
one more follow-up question. I'm more in kind of interested in some of the the reporting side of the Oracle Fusion. Would there be more emphasis on that, or is it just part of the whole curriculum and only like Oracle BI Publisher and OTBI?
So you want to more learn about BAP and OTBI? That is what your question?
Yeah.
So as I said that, okay, as part of a Fusion technical consultant, you learn anything, you will be a technical consultant. That means you must be a very skilled person into BAP and OTBI. Okay, so we have to be extremely focusing upon BAP and OTBI, everything which is available in the planet in terms of these particular technology that is required to claim you for 2, 3 years, 4 years of experience. Rest depends on how you practice and how you consume the things. Okay, everything will be covered in detail. More than 100 plus BAP and OTBI report samples we have already prepared, ready, and handed over to you as a real-time scenario. And guys, the beauty of these sample is if we talk about that, okay, we should need to learn how to add a parameter. That sample will talk and discuss and demonstrate only the parameter. If I say that, okay, how to make a parameter mandatory, that sample is talking about how to make the parameter as mandatory. So very minute things into one sort of component. So it will be a reference guide and it will be a Bible for you. In future, if you want that, okay, customer comes up that, okay, we want to add one parameter as a mandatory. You does not need to go to thousands of the component. You have the sample ready. You will go and see how it has been done, and that's how you can refer and attach and perform those sort of actions. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, Piyush, hello.
Yes, Sagar.
Yeah, Sagar really. My question is like in EBS we are having the P2P and O2C cycle. So in Fusion also we are having this kind of cycles P2P
Okay.
and
Okay, just two things, guys. Anybody who's from the EBS background, there is nothing related to EBS in Fusion like we are going to have here. Okay, you have to come to learn Fusion with the thing that you have to first unlearn EBS. EBS is so much of technicality, so much of code. Here something is drag and drop, no technicality, everything has been taken care by Oracle. And if something has been taken care by Oracle, we does not have that much of capability as we have in EBS, first thing. Second thing is this is a technical course. We are learning the technicalities, different sort of tools, components, technology which has been offered. We are not here to learn the functionalities as well as the processes. P2P process, O2C cycle process, financial GL to AP transfer process, hire to retire cycle process. This is not the objective of this particular course curriculum. These are the functional topics. Okay.
okay.
Okay, team. I think we can wind up the session. So, team,
Hi,
we
hi
request.
Piyush, this is Koteshwara. I have one question.
Yes, Kotesh. Yes, Kotesh.
Yeah, including this fees, do you have any certification offers? Like, suppose I want to do after completion of this course, I want to do Oracle certification.
So just to let you know, guys, there has been no certification offered by Oracle as of now in terms of like, okay, you are a certified Oracle Fusion technical consultant. There is no such certification offered by Oracle. The certifications
Okay.
which are there in the Oracle side, that is Fusion HCM consultant, supply chain consultant, AR consultant, AP consultant, like these sort of functional certificates are there. There is no Fusion technical certificate is there. The certificate which is available by the Oracle, that is Oracle Integration Specialist. OIC certificate is there, and this particular course is good enough to get you a thorough knowledge about the course, the subject, so that you can claim and prepare yourself and write the certificate for that. We and the team will assist you for those sort of certifications also. Okay, if you after the course you want to enroll, whatever the guidance is required, that may be provided by us. Okay, at a regular interval, most of the students that has been enrolled with our thing, you may see once you join the group, every alternate days you may see that, okay, we have been uploading a new candidate or new students who get certified from our guidance and all. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sachin here.
Yes, Nayak.
So my question is like, I mean, this is going to be completely technical as I can see the curriculum. But in the market, like mostly there will be specific hiring for technical, or mostly market prefers techno-functional consultant. As I have came across couple of interviews in last 1 month. So based on my experience, I'm telling you. So how it will be like? It will be techno-functional or
Nayak, let's keep your question short. You said that, what is the question exactly? That whether this course is helping you to get you the job, or the job is more of a technical or a techno-functional or a function. That is your question?
yes, exactly.
So there is no such bifurcation. As I said that, okay, there is a implementation teams, big organization, big software and big clients. It is not that, okay, there is a team of 2 consultants who are handling this entire software or implementation. Team may be a combination of multiple skill set people. Some are technical, some are functional, some are techno-functional. Some are 2 years experience, some are 10 years experience. So it is variety of openings coming up into the market. Wherever you will find yourself comfortable, you can apply and you will get. There is nothing that, okay, definitely the more you know, you will be a more key player. Okay, like if you are a batsman, if you are a bowler, if you are an all-rounder, if you are an all-rounder, definitely there are more chances that you can support and contribute to your project. So definitely people will give you more preferences. Okay, Avinash, you have any questions? Fine, guys. In that case, hope I was able to
Yeah,
address
team,
all.
I think we can wind up the session. So, whoever had any questions, you can reach out to us offline. And I request everyone to please reach out to us on 8179563510, or you can directly click on the link that we have given over the chat and you can complete the enrollment. So, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start a regular sessions. So, I request everyone to please reach out to us and confirm the enrollments so that you can start attending the regular sessions from tomorrow onwards. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Let's catch up tomorrow.
Okay, thank you, everyone.